Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, following on from last week's video of the 5 things we couldn't have done the trip without, if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link up here. We're now going to go on to 5 things that we didn't need whilst on the trip. And stay right to the end, because there's a bonus item that I think will shock you. The first item on our list is our folding chairs. We took this with us so we could sit outside the van. However, unfortunately, the weather never really permitted that. So we took them, but never used them. The second item on our list is our wood burner. Again, we took this with us to sit outside of an evening. However, the weather never really permitted. So we never got to use our wood burner, which is a big shame because we were looking forward to that. The third item on our list is our jet boil. We took this as a backup, literally as a backup, but we never required it. Our electrical system was flawless. As described in our first video, our Roma battery gave us more than enough power to enable us to cook no problems every single day, so we did not require to use our jet boil whatsoever. The next item on our list is our coffee grinder and French press. Whilst it's really nice to have fresh coffee, and we do really enjoy our coffee, we didn't use either of these because we were able to use coffee bags. These are brilliant. You can literally just put them in, have your standard sort of grounded coffee in a bag, and once finished, we just put it into the composting toilet. The fifth and final item on our list is our sleeping bags. And while we did take them just in case we needed them, as already described in our previous video, the diesel heater did an admirable job of keeping the van nice and warm, so we did not require to use our sleeping bags whatsoever. The final item on our list will surprise you, because it's our drone. And whilst it would have been great to use it whilst on the trip, because we decided to take the trip up through Finland and across into the top of Norway, large area up there is no-fly zones due to escalation problems in Russia, so we weren't able to use it. And in the points where we were able to use it, the weather just was not on our side. So unfortunately, we took the drone with us with every intention of using it, but weren't able to do so. So just be very mindful if you are going to go up there and take a drone with you, that you abide by the rules and you only use it where you're allowed to use it. While we never use these items, I don't regret taking them, because it might be a case of in some cases we would have needed them. I will leave links in the description below should you wish to pick up any of these items yourself. If you were to do a trip back, I think I'd aim to go up the left hand side of Norway and therefore enabling use of the drone rather than the opposite side, which is nearer to Russia. All that's left for me to say is thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please do hit the like button. Also don't forget the subscribe button. It is free and only around about 25% of our viewers actually subscribe to the channel. It really does help out the algorithm, so if you would be kind enough to just go and hit that subscribe button, we'd very much appreciate it. See you in the next video.